Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans and corn both closed lower on Tuesday, coming back from Memorial Day weekend, expecting generally good week-to-week planting progress in many key U.S. growing areas. There's also a fair amount of spillover from a very bearish tone in the outside markets. And of course, both corn and soybeans will continue to monitor any developments in trade talks with China and on NAFTA over the next several days. Unknown Destinations bought quite a bit of U.S. corn ahead of the open, but it didn't have much of a factor. Wheat closed lower. Now there is maybe only scattered rainfall expected in some of the driest areas of the plains over the next several days as the hard red winter crop heads towards harvest. But the overall fundamental outlook is bearish, the current marketing year for wheat ending this upcoming Thursday. Live cattle were down and feeders were mixed. It had a widespread direct trade this week. This week's show list does generally look larger than last week in most of the major feeding areas. Box beef was mixed at midday. Nearby feeders did have some support from that lower move in corn. And hogs closed higher with pork up sharply at midday and cash business steady to firm during the session. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.